Then you will now go back to your home page and straight to your projects. So your instructor would have added you to the project. So once you log in, you will see AI4Green4Students. That's the project. Click on that. That will take you to the planning page. So in this planning page, you can create a new plan. You can search plan already created, or you create a new plan. If you select a new plan, that will load up. And these are the sections or the pages in the planning section. So you have reaction scheme. You click on the reaction scheme, it will bring forth reaction sketcher. So you can draw your chemical compounds here. You draw your reaction. Say, for example, I'm wanting to react benzene with chlorine. And then that will now lead us to the products. So you can see that it is very much easier. If you make mistake, like you can see now, go to the eraser and erase it. You can use the eraser or you can use undo. So using the eraser will erase everything. But you would notice that it's taking time. So to minimize time spent, you can just click on the undo. So this is the undo button. It will just undo your last action. So you have it back at benzene. And then you can now finalize drawing your product. So that's the arrow there. That's the chlorine and then the plus. So you have two reactants, two products, and the products will be chlorobenzene and HCl. Once you have finished drawing this, you click on generate reaction data, and that will take you to your reaction table. Just to also make you aware, rather than drawing this, you can actually copy the one that you've already drawn on your notebook. If you're using Word document, paste it here. That's the same thing it's going to generate for you. Or if you have smiles, if you have smile string of the of your reactants and products, paste it here. It's going to convert that and generate the reaction table. So once I click here, you may want to save so that if anything goes wrong, you can pick that up. So save that. Click on generate reaction table. You can see it has stamped your reaction scheme and it's bring the reaction table. So here it has identified, populated it for you, the reactants, you have the products. So you can now add the solvent. Say, for example, you're using benzene as a solvent. So you can see the beauty here that this is color coding to enable sustainability. So dark red means that is very toxic, not advised to be used. Yellow means that is in between. Green is acceptable. So once you see that red, you can change your mind, substitute the solvent that is going to be good for the environment and for the experiment you're doing. Click on add, and that will add the solvent for you. The same way, if you want to add reagent, say maybe you're using a palladium catalyst, and write in palladium. Okay, can see pop-up that will help you to select add that adds it. So you can now come here to select, is it gas, is it liquid? Do your selection. What are you using here? Is it volume? Are you using volume? Or is it mass? If it is volume, you select volume. Yeah. Then you come here, amount. You'll be able to select adding the amount of the substance, the densities, then you can add in the density. The hazard code. So as you're typing in this hazard code, if it is wrong, can you see that warning sign? So what this means is incorrect hazard code. So that helps you to check what you have entered and enter the correct one before your instructor will mark it. So that's an added help that the system provides to you. And once you're done with this section, you have finished adding everything, then you can now go to the next page. So we save this